I like that I can cooperate with many people. I can do something together. I mean, I do research as a professor, and I don't like to do research alone. I like to do research with people with from different areas than my own. And my own is computer science. And this is really nice to be there with somebody and have an idea during dinner or in a bus, and then they start having ideas and working together, and this is really nice.
What I like most about my current job is working with young people and new graduates that are 22, 23-year-olds, and I guess they are my mentors. They learn so fast and they keep you up to date, so it's really challenging, and it's interesting to see the world through their eyes. So that's what I like the most about my job now.
My responsibilities or duties are very broad, so I get to do a lot of things, a lot of different things, like teaching students. I work a lot with people, and I get to research on things people haven't developed before, people haven't found out or discovered before. So doing something new every day and having ever-changing tasks is what motivates me.
My current job, while it involves teaching and research, I like the research part, which involves collaboration with other colleagues in Europe and Germany.
See, I'm in a management position right now, and I have the opportunity to meet different people, interact with business leaders, and the opportunity to interact with them, to learn from them, to be able to deal with them is such a wonderful thing. And also on the operations side, I enjoy developing processes. I enjoy improving processes. That's what I learned during my 2 years of study here as part of my industrial engineering program. So these are two sides which I love a lot, and it's mainly the interaction with people on both sides. So people. I'm a happy man with people, and that's what I love most about my job.